first tap. I'm sorry, Mom, if you're watching this. They say never test the depth of the ocean with both feet, but today I went ahead and went all in. I told myself if I ever got a tattoo, I would find someone who's as detail-oriented as myself, and I think I found him. So my whole arm is getting ready to be covered with a surprise tattoo. You guys are gonna see the before and the after. So this is the before, no tats. My arm is just empty and pure. I'm about to blast the whole thing. First tattoo on the way, let's get it. We got the stencils done right now. A little surprise for you. We're gonna go ahead and get the stencil. It's gonna take 10 minutes to dry, and I'll bring you guys through the process with me. That ain't bad at all. Y'all, your boy is feeling tired, feeling overwhelmed. This thing is more painful than I thought. When he started, I was like, I'm gonna sit like a rock. Now I'm like passing out from the pain, I ain't gonna lie to you. Your boy is definitely tired. I got one more left. Hopefully I can make it through this whole thing without tapping out. My first tap. I'm sorry, Mom, if you're watching this. They say never test the depth of the ocean with both feet, but today I went ahead and went all in. Shout out to my boy Waavy for hooking me up, taking the vision to the fullest. We're not complete. We're gonna put a boat right here. We're gonna put a palm tree, some sunshine, show about life from dark to light. So stay tuned for the next session. We out.